Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut lagging problem. So if you're editing a project in CapCut and you see that the CapCut app lags while you're editing, or if you're trying to export your video but it doesn't get exporting, then you can try these solutions to fix this problem. First of all, open the CapCut app on my phone and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, open up any project that you have created earlier. Now, if you play this video, you maybe have a problem of lagging the very end of your video. First solution is that simply remove the watermark of CapCut app from your video. This might help, but if you still have the issue, then you have to remove the last part of your video. So, select the ending of your video and then trim it by a half a second. Or you can cut out the last second of your video. For some reasons, it might also help because mostly lagging occur at the end of the project. But if you've done this and still have problems, then simply exit from the app and open your mobile settings. After that, scroll down until you find apps. Once found, tap on that and here look for the CapCut app. Now, tap on CapCut app and you will see various options here. Simply tap on storage and you will be on this interface. Here, tap on Clear Cache option at the bottom of your screen, and it will clear all the cache file that is interrupting your app. It will also clear the bugs and the unnecessary data that your app may have that cause the lag. So that's it. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.